Hey everybody, this video will talk about finding a polynomial of a given degree with given zeros, complex zeros. So we're told to find a polynomial f of x of degree 4 with real coefficients and the following zeros. So because it is degree 4, that means I'm going to have 4 zeros. Okay, they could be real or complex, but I'm going to have 4 zeros. Here I only have 2 zeros, -4, 2, and 2 plus I. But when I have a complex zero, the conjugate of my complex zero must also be a 0. So this means my function f of x is going to equal x minus -4 or x plus 4 from this first 0, x minus 2 from the second 0, and then it's also going to equal, another factor is going to be x minus 2 plus I for that third 0, and then x minus 2 minus I for the second 0. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to worry about those and multiply them together because they're conjugates. I'm going to end up getting, all my i's are going to disappear. Okay, so let's multiply these two together and then the other two together. So we're going to end up getting x squared plus 2x minus 8 after we double distribute there. And then for this, remember, we got to double distribute here. If you need help with multiplying these through, you can go see previous videos. So this is x squared minus x times 2 minus I minus x times 2 plus I. Remember, I'm doing the double distribute thing, plus 2 plus I times 2 minus I. So now we can multiply these x's through and then double distribute here. And this portion stays the same, x squared plus 2x minus 8. So we're going to get x squared minus 2x minus xi minus 2x plus xi plus 4 minus I squared. And that came from the 2i and the negative 2i end up canceling out. So negative xi, positive xi, and then I squared is -1. So we're subtracting a -1 right here. So it's like adding 1, right? So we end up getting 5. And then we have, what are our like terms? X squared doesn't have a like term there. And then -2x minus 2x is -4x plus 5. And this portion is x squared plus 2x minus 8. So that is it in a factored form of types, right? Not all the way factored. But if we needed to simplify this more, we'd have to multiply this x squared through to each of these parts, and we'll end up getting x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 5x squared. And then we need to multiply the 2x by each of these parts. So this ends up being plus 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 10x. And then again, we have to multiply the -8 through each of these pieces. So we get minus 8x squared plus 32x minus 40. Now, let's combine like terms. So we get x to the 4th. There's nothing else there. Negative 4x cubed plus 2x cubed minus... Oh, nope. Those are the only two. We're going to end up getting minus 2x cubed. And then 5x squared minus 8x squared minus 8x squared. So negative 16x squared plus 5 is negative 11x squared. And then, let's see, what are our other numbers? So 10x plus 32x is 42x, and then negative 40. Doesn't have anyone else. So my function f of x is that big old long thing. So that's how we find a polynomial of a given degree with given zeros.